Well, this is just Chris, and I represent for Lionfoot TV. Even man, when you want the baddest and the maddest and the wickedest vlog them, just check out Lionfoot TV. What you telling me? This is just Chris in England. I like it, I like it. Lionfoot TV, go on them.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yeah, man, blessed love, blessed day, blessed Friday. We say give thanks to the rising. Life is the greatest gift, so cherish each moment. Big up all of my viewers and subscribers, them. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. I don't know, you must say give thanks to life, you know. Big up all of my fans, them, the silent ones, them. Big up yourself, Kelly. It's an honor for no say I watch the channel. I is a silent listener. Honor is it? So big up yourself. Big up the whole Nonhead, Peckham, Riley, Prince and Genius Butchers. Zine, big up the whole family. Stockwell, Brixton, Camberwell Bus Garage, Peckham, Streatham, Croydon. All of the bus drivers, them. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man, welcome to Lionfoot TV. See? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, this is the lovers of music. I don't know where I'm going to know, say, the artists, them, they are singing melody, Lukie, the Ghost. You see me, a long time, I'm not touch the UK side of the world, you know what I mean? Terry Linen. So you don't know, it was a success. Big up the promoter. So I'm going to show you some local footage, you know what I mean, at the Valentine's show. And you don't know, big up the audience, them who turn up. Why the ladies, them turn out for Ghost, you know? Yes, man. You see me? So I'm going to show you some footage. Big up Bagger British, also one of the pioneers who play an integral role in music, reggae music and dancehall. You see me I say? Big up all of the DJs and selector them. You see it? You know, so we do the thing on the back of it. Lord, you know, I'm the man of peace and I love you, say. Unity over scrutiny, see? So we are showing you how I go on. But before that, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to please, we can check, remember to check out my song, you know. Even I give me bun. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Is it? Yes, some humor and a reality. No people can relate to it. Is it? Yeah, man.
Greetings to one and all, especially to all you my loyal fans out there. My name is Rasai Rick, and I'm here to inform you that I have a new single out now titled Yivan Gimme Bun. Yes, it's available to download and stream on all digital platforms, so do the right thing. Or you can go to my YouTube channel and watch the official video and leave your honest feedback. Any form of support is highly appreciated. Blessed love.
She said she gotta work, and don't Kirk, she gonna link up with Kirk. She don't start me feel good about her. So you don't beat her? No, so we back up her split.
Alright, make sure you do the right thing. Saying give thanks. Any form of support is highly appreciated. So, you know, we're going to show you some local performance of Wagwan and Wagwan. See? So, watch Wagwan. We say IAP out there, just Chris there too. On a different tour, different from Ghost them, but them link up, because I know one unity, one network, one connection. Zine? Yeah, man, big up Boombox Friday. See? So, watch Wagwan, man.
Big up on yourself. You don't know. You know London, England love that song here, you know. England song this, you know. Holy Emmanuel, I take Selassie, I
Listen to me. Just Chris. You just forward. 501. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my protege, Justice. That's one.
Yeah, man, me have to interject this. So you see how Ghost call up Baby Chris and Just Chris and say, yo, one of my protege. And Just Chris forward, him not overdo it, him just say one song and him sing him signature song, the UK song, ring ding ding ding. Zane, so no long chatting, just watch your performance.
Yo, even I say England, but they are fresh. I'm on show, I keep on my place and I'm on party. Galleries, you see me after the 26th. But the Sunday people, we're not going to perform whole night because I want to go, right? So when many people know the song, we bust Just Chris run of England. Jam with him like a British. What you telling me? With him chat. I like to something good. Alright, so we're ready. I have people myself. All my entertainers them. Who ready now, England? Mr. England, who ready now? Put some right. What's on the man? My brother from another mother. Thank you so much. People, the 26th of this month, Granaries is my stage show. We can get the full performance from Just Chris. I love you so much. England, we're there. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause.
My viewers and subscribers, I hate that they don't know right in the show. Real Askel, watch a bad performance from the winning boss, Real Askel, who also put in the work in the UK right now. Bad artist, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so you don't know. Big up yourself, Real Askel. You don't know. Big up Team Flexi Promotion. And yeah, you don't know. Watch what going on, man.
Man of a fly through the gate. Big up on yourself again in the car. And also the thing set in me always I say give thanks to life, you know. Because without life we can't there, so. Yo! You see that one, yeah? We no follow, you know. We a leader. Hey! No boy, me no follow. This winning basket push at them, I go swallow. Brrr. When making your mouth fire, make them drink them blood like spit them a swallow. Django, no boy, you no follow. This winning basket push at them, I go swallow. Steady, yo, here my fire. drink them blood. Steady rhymes, yo. When them see you roll up, 3 out of the 17 when them get first. Papa bust them face a cockle lip one cut and pull up. A bad chat, man. Ready it again, man. I know the badness go, a badness. Hey, fall in and make up your damn self, you know. Stomach head, you know the badness come down, you know. Them know say I want winning boss, but no one tell them. Now boy, me no follow. This winning boss, Papa shot them a go swallow. Ragga here, man, fire make them drink them blood like spit them a swallow. Now boy, we no follow. This passer, Papa shot them a go swallow. Here, man, fire make them drink them blood like sweet them a swallow. Boom! When them say we roll up, 3 out of the 17 when them get first. Papa bust them face like a telephone cut and broke up his bone like a fucking teacup. People say me hero, me make shot pick out your eye like eagle. Tough like I am, me rougher than the sea too. But girl them always a burrito. No boy me no follow. This winning boss Papa shot them a go swallow. When me give them a fire, make them drink them blood. Listen me, hey. Balaclava goes mad, so me walk with the K like dog a Baghdad. Sick in me head like me name Taliban. Putin does send me nuclear weapon. Alright, that's it. Energy, big up your damn self, you know. Bad. Man up a flight through.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, I hit that, you know, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man, we say give thanks for the support. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, and click the bell. You see me I say? And man of peace. Cool shites. Yeah, man. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.